decrease in progress, let's just put it there. I'm gonna tell you this right now. All cameras make your face look very airbrushed and very smooth. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm kind of filming this in a span of 30 days, so 1 month. I recently just purchased the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster, and it's supposed to be for clear, glowing skin. If you guys know who Tati Westbrook is on YouTube, this is like her supplement beauty line, and I've heard really good things about it. Her skin's phenomenal. You already know she probably uses her own products if she doesn't drop them like I do. But I figured I would like kind of do this video and see if it actually works, if it clears my skin, if my complexion looks a little bit different, if I just overall see a difference in my skin. So I'm gonna take them every day and vlog with you guys and show you guys my skin when I wake up. And to show you, I wish I could show you my face now, but I kind of have makeup on. But as you can tell, I kind of have a blemish. You know, I have some blemishes over here, but I'll probably take my makeup off later and show you guys what my skin looks like. We're getting vulnerable here. That way you guys kind of get an idea. So I'm gonna take one now. I have some water. Show you what the pill looks like. So there's 30 capsules in here for 1 month. Today is January 11th, so I should be done February 11th, right? Yeah. So the pill is like kind of big. Like, do you see that? It's kind of big. Doesn't really have a smell. So I'm gonna take it. I'm really hoping that this just makes my complexion and my skin look so much better. Okay, I don't really like the taste of it. It's very earthy. Okay, so today is day 2 of taking the Kiwi. I took it yesterday for the first time, and this is what I woke up with. My skin, again, everything is still healing. My skin takes forever to heal, but they're like scabs. And I just got out of the shower, so I just need to put like all my moisturizer on because I'm so dry. But I feel like I woke up and my skin was looking just like a little bit better. Like the redness has kind of came down. So yeah, I'm gonna take one real quick and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone because it's currently 6 a.m. and Alex is sleeping. And I didn't want to get my camera. I'm being very quiet, but here is day 3. I'm gonna take my 3rd day of Halo Beauty. So I've been on it for 2 full days, and this is what my skin looks like. This kind of just like started to pop up. It's just dry. This is going away. This is slowly going away, but so far my skin just takes a while to get rid of red spots, but so far I'm thinking it's going good. I think they're just trying to get everything out, but I already had this and this, but I started to get a little patchy here, but it could just be dry. But so yeah, I'm gonna take my 3rd pill and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is now day 4 of the Halo Beauty. So this is what my skin looks like. It's clearing up. I feel like it's looking a little bit more glowy. So yeah, day 4. Today is gonna be the 4th day that we're gonna be taking the Kiwi Seed Booster, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the update. Hi guys, so it is now day 5 of taking Halo Beauty. So this will be my 5th day of taking it, but I've been on it for 4 days now, and this is what my skin looks like. This is taking forever to clear up because it's just new skin, but other than that, my skin looks pretty good. I do get a little bit of like little pimples here and there, but I feel like the pill is just like clearing everything out and just like getting everything out. So far so good. And so far it's only 5 days, well 4. I had to take the 5th one today, so I can't wait to see like on the 15th day, like half a month, like half of the time, what my skin looks like. Hi guys, so don't worry, I'm in a towel, not naked. So today is day 6 of taking Halo Beauty. Just wanted to show you again my face. I just like put my toner and moisturizer on, but it's starting to look really, really good. I am though getting my period soon, so that might affect my face a little bit. I kind of just have a little bit of little pimples that came up, but all of these red spots are all healing. The thing with my face is that when I get a pimple or a red spot, it takes forever to heal. It just takes so long, like a month or so. So yeah, that's what my face looks like today. Again, we're only 6 days in, so I can't really tell how I feel about the product yet. Day 7 of taking Tati or Halo Beauty, again in a towel because I showered. But I want to give you guys a quick update because I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this right now. My face is worse. I have way more pimples. Every day I find like a whitehead. I have all these red spots that I didn't have the other days. And I think it's making me break out more. And I don't know if it's because it's getting everything out and then it's gonna like clear me up. Leave your comments down below if you've tried this before and that happened to you, because to be honest, it's very discouraging and I kind of want to stop taking it because I feel like it's just not helping. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about my experience with Halo Beauty and all that stuff. So as you can tell, I filmed myself taking it, like what my skin looked like every day, and yeah, I did it for 10 days. You guys only saw 7 days on camera, like on film, but after the 10th day I had to stop it because my skin was worse than ever. I really don't have a problem with acne or keeping my skin clear. I really do just get acne, you know, time of the month, stressing, but I don't have it all over my face. I just, you know, get little pimples here and there. But after I was taking Halo Beauty for just 10 days, my skin was horrible. Like every day I'd have, like, I covered it up because I'm about to go and take pictures with my friends. And also the camera obviously like smooths my skin out just because that's how this camera is. But I literally have new pimples. I had new pimples every day. I still have them. They're like covering my cheeks here. They're down here. They're over here in the center of my forehead. In places, oh, by my lip. They're just in places that I never would get pimples. And I was gonna finish out like the full 30 days, but my skin was so bad. I was like, I literally can't do this anymore. Like, I think this is the cause of my breakouts and stuff. And I do have sensitive skin, so a lot of things do break me out. I keep my skincare very minimal. I use 3 products. That's basically it, and it works for me. And I really wanted to try this because Tati's skin is beautiful. I love Tati, but I don't know, whatever is in the Kiwi seed booster just doesn't agree with my skin, and everyone is totally different. So don't take that as, oh my god, I'm not gonna try it, because I read that it worked for some people and I also read it doesn't work for others. So it's definitely, you know, hit or miss, obviously, with any type of, you know, skincare or supplement. It's gonna work for some, but it's not gonna work for others. And I really wanted to finish out the 30 days because now I just have a bottle with 20 days left. So I might give it to my friend to try out, but maybe I'll continue it. I don't know. I'm just waiting for my skin to just fully clear up because I did have some red spots that I already had previously to taking Halo Beauty, and they were kind of healing, but then once I started taking Halo Beauty, I feel like they just stopped. They weren't healing. They were kind of getting worse. I was forming new pimples, like I said, so I'm not really sure. So I'm just gonna wait until my entire face is cleared up, it's all gone. I'm past my period, all of that stuff, and then maybe I will retry it again for the next 20 days to see. But my skin was just so bad. I was so like self-conscious and not confident at all because my face has never looked like that before. And the only thing I changed in my, routine was Halo Beauty. And this is definitely not a hate video. I love Tati. Like, she is a role model. Her skin, phenomenal. Like, she's beautiful. But I did want to just show you, like, kind of just take you along my journey with Halo Beauty and trying it out. And I know it's like only 10 days, but like, I feel like 10 days is a pretty good amount to see some sort of progress, and I did not see progress. If anything, I saw progress. Like, I don't even know if that's a word, but a decrease in progress, let's just put it there. And you guys can kind of see throughout the 7 days, I kind of was like a little iffy at first. I was like, oh wow, like it's clearing up, but then I started to form new pimples. So let me know down below if that happened to you. Like, do I have to just ride it out for 30 days? Like, is it getting all of that gunk and pimples out of my face for then my face to be super clear? Or am I just allergic or to whatever ingredient is in Halo Beauty? So let me know down below. I was really excited to try it out, and I'm kind of bummed that this is kind of the results I was getting. Again, I obviously didn't do it for the full 30 days, and I probably should, but I just can't keep going with my face looking so bad. And you guys are probably looking at me like, what do you mean your face is so bad? But like, keep in mind, I'm wearing makeup. I covered it very well. Again, I'm on camera. Cameras, I'm gonna tell you this right now. All cameras make your face look very airbrushed and very smooth, especially the Canon G7X, which is what I film on. A lot of cameras do that. So just because someone's skin on camera looks flawless and airbrushed, it's definitely not. And I'm gonna tell you that right now, straight up. I'm spilling the tea. That is not the case. Their skin, maybe their skin's super clear, but again, don't always go by what you see on camera. So my skin's bad, and I showed you guys, through the 7 days, and I was very vulnerable doing that just because I'm very conscious about my skin. When I have a pimple, I don't have a lot of self-confidence whenever there's something on my skin, especially my face. I don't care if it's somewhere else on my body. It's just my face, because everyone sees your face, and I don't know, it's just whenever I have pimples, I'm just not confident. It's just who I am. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Definitely don't be discouraged with trying Halo Beauty. I think that it's gonna work for a lot of people, but certain people it's just not gonna work. It's totally fine. And yeah, so I'm still a little iffy and up in the air about it, but I think I'm gonna, like I said, let my face clear, and then I will update you guys if I continue to take it. Of course, I'll update you guys in a video, a vlog, or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.